Hey there, quick unboxing. I wanted to show you, and spoiler alert, I've already opened it, but I got a shipment of new products that I got from Look Ma No Stand, lookmanostand.com. And it includes this new backplate hanging system that is got a cleat to it, and it is meant to just attach with silicone, or my favorite glue, which is this Gorilla Maximum Strength Construction adhesive, to the back of your piece so that you can mount it to the wall. And now obviously this is for opaque pieces, so you're not going to be able to see this through my opaque glass here, but I think this is a really nice, very professional looking system. Now you can use a regular hanger, wall hanger, to hang it here, and then because of this piece off here it offsets that, and so you're not going to get your center of gravity, it's not going to tilt forward because it's got this part to prop up against the wall as well. So it's going to give it a really nice floating look, kind of hanging off the wall. You can use a regular picture hanger. They also now sell these new cleat hangers, so this you could mount to the wall and then use that for an extra secure, and these are not expensive, so that could be an extra secure way to hang it. And then I like these because if you are in galleries, you can just do a wire loop then around this so that the gallery can hang it using the wire, because most galleries require things be hung with a wire. So even with this mounted on here, then I'll just make a loop of a wire, picture hanging wire, and can loop it around there, and it could still hang at the gallery. So Look Ma No Stand, this is a brand new product. This one's 4x4. They have different sizes, so you can get them bigger if you want. They also have the cleats available for the wall. Just thought you would like to see that. And again, I'm just going to glue it on there with my favorite glue, which I get at Amazon because it's easy for me. Look Ma No Stand. Hope you found this interesting, helpful. Catch you later. Bye-bye.